7 days to start your day calm and focused. Day 6. Build a calm and productive mindset. Welcome to this morning meditation for calm focus and productivity. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to fully relax. Gently close your eyes and bring awareness to your breathing. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale softly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Feel your shoulders soften and your jaw relax gently. Allow your breathing to become calm, steady, and natural. With every inhale, invite focus and motivation into your mind. With every exhale, release stress and overwhelm. Imagine your mind becoming clear, organized, and peaceful. You are creating space for productive and balanced energy. Take another deep breath in and feel renewed from within. Exhale slowly and let go of distractions and mental clutter. Allow yourself to settle fully into the present moment. You do not need to rush or force your day. You can move through your tasks with calm awareness. Feel your concentration becoming stronger with every breath. Notice a quiet confidence growing within your mind. This confidence supports steady focus and emotional balance. Imagine yourself moving through your day with clarity and ease. You are capable of handling each moment one step at a time. Take a slow breath in and feel productive energy rising naturally. Exhale and release any fear of falling behind. Your calmness helps your mind stay clear and focused. Your breath is guiding you into steady, mindful energy. Allow your thoughts to become lighter and more organized. You are building healthy focus from a place of peace. Take another deep breath in and refresh your entire body. Exhale slowly and soften any remaining tension. Feel gratitude for this opportunity to begin your day with intention. You are creating a mindset that supports both calm and productivity. Trust yourself to stay present and balanced throughout the day. Breathe in confidence and breathe out unnecessary pressure. Allow yourself to enjoy this peaceful moment of stillness. Notice how your mind feels clearer and more refreshed. Your calm energy is becoming stronger with every breath. Your focus is becoming steadier and more natural. Take one more slow breath in and feel grounded within yourself. Exhale fully and carry this calm, productive energy into your day. Begin to bring awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body. Slowly wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take a final deep breath and feeling awake, focused, and refreshed. Exhale gently and release any last traces of tension. When you are ready, gently open your eyes with a peaceful smile. Move through your day with calm confidence and purposeful focus. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.